Lake Michigan from Port Washington to North Point Lake, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Lake Michigan from North Point Lake to Wind Point, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. And Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. And the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock, and Waller. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather. Damage and wind includes the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Waves 4 to 6 feet. Until 2:45 p.m. At 12:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 14 nautical miles north of McHenry to 36 nautical miles northwest of Elgin, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots.
Whoa.
Large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor, Waukegan Harbor, and Wilmette Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Occasionally to 10 feet, from 10 to 4 to 7, occasionally to 9 feet. Wednesday night, northwest winds 15 to 20, 15 to 10 to This watch includes the following counties: Porter, Indiana, and the following: Bureau, County of Harvard, DeKalb,
DePage,
Ford, Grundy,
Miracle,
Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, Lotto, Lake, Lee, Livingston, Marshall, McHenry, McLean, Ogle, Vermilion, Whiteside, Will and Woodford, and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, Lake, Newton, and Porter, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana, Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana, Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, and Lake Michigan from Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means favorable to the development of severe weather, including large and close to the watch area. While severe thunderstorm watch. This is NOAA and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois until 2:15 p.m. At 1:19 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Antioch to McHenry to near Marengo, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roof, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waukegan, Arlington Heights, Palatine, Buffalo Grove, Crystal Lake, Wheeling, Northbrook, North Chicago, Gurnee, Mundelein, Algonquin, Highland Park, Lake, Indiana Hills, Round Lake Beach, McHenry, Furnace Hills, Woodstock, Zion, Huntley, and Grave Lake. Including the following interstates: Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 26. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 26. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. At 1:32 p.m. trained weather spotters recorded a 68 miles per hour gust through Crystal Lake. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Chicago, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Glenview, Buffalo Grove, Wheeling, Park Ridge, Northbrook, Alphaville Village, Niles, Lakeview, Irving Park, West Ridge, and Lincoln Park. Following interstates: Interstate 90 between mile markers 64 and 84. 94 between mile markers 26 and 45. Interstate 94 between mile markers 26 and 45. Interstate 2 and Wrigley Field. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Windsor Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Windsor Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 4:45 p.m. At 1:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Waukegan Harbor to 10 nautical miles north of 5 feet in southeast at 20 knots. Wind in excess of 50 knots and large hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds and hail. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Hamlet Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, Marina Shores at Dune Harbor and 59th Street Marina. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roof, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations and tactics include Waukegan, Arlington Heights, Palatine, Buffalo Grove, Wheeling, Northbrook, North Chicago, Mundelein, Highland Park, Furnace Hills, Grays Lake, Libertyville, Exert, Lake Forest, Waconda, Barrington, Deerfield, Glencoe, Long Grove, and Hawthorne Woods, including the following interstates: Interstate 94 between mile markers 13 and 26. Interstate 294 between mile markers 13 and 26. This includes Great Lakes Naval Training Center, Lake County, Illinois Fairgrounds, Lake Forest College, and Lavinia Music Festival. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This is it. This is it.
A severe thunderstorm watch. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 490, effective until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Fulton, LaPorte, Marshall, Pulaski, St. Joseph, and Stark, and the following counties in Michigan: Berrien and Cass, and the following: New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan, and Lake Michigan from Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail.
A severe thunderstorm watch has been issued for your location.
While severe weather persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Hey YouTube, I'm along with...
S60 Jefferson Tester?
And I know I sound like a million autistic kids right now. That's because I am like super sick. Like my voice is gone. My vocal cords are damaged. So sorry if I sound like this for the compilation. But you're gonna have to deal with it, so cry. Oh God.
This is dude! This is a destructive storm and will contain baseball-sized hail.
Bye. Focus camera.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to midline of Lake New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan. Nearshore waters from Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan. Open waters from Michigan
50 knots.
to St. Joseph, Michigan until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 24 nautical miles west of the St. Joseph Pirates, moving east at 55 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar.
Radar.
Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high wind. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include St. Joseph. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty wind and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Warning event.
From 26 nautical miles northwest of Joseph Lake to 11 nautical miles northeast of Wilmette Harbor to 6 nautical miles northeast of O'Hare Airport, moving east at 46 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail.
It's getting dark outside.
Radar indicated. Hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to midline of Lake New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan.
That too.
Nearshore waters from Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan. Open waters from Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan until 5 p.m. to 15. At 3:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 nautical miles west of the St. Joseph Pirates, moving east at 50 knots. To 3, all severe storms will follow with damaging wind and some hail possible. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar.
Radar. This needs to be caught too. possible SVR for Berrien. 70 miles per hour too. And there's an LOTTOR. What in the world? Who's holding it? But there's also an LOTTOR.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Berrien County and southern Michigan until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near St. Joseph, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard 70 includes Pinks Corners, Millburg, Manhattan, and Gulf Park around 3:20 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Orland Park, Tinley Park, Mosina, Franklin Square, University of St. Francis, Chandler State Park, Chicagoland Speedway, Route 56 Raceway, Joliet Junior College, and Joliet Glamour Baseball. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55, mile 246 and 254. Interstate 18, mile 123 and 149. Please cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
This is chaos.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Cass County in southwestern Michigan, northwestern St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan, east central Berrien County in southwestern Michigan, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southeast of Waterloo to 6 miles west of Georgia, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, effect sighting, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Geologic around 4:35 p.m. Eastern
Oh yeah,
Daylight Time.
WFRN.
Marcellus around 4:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Three Rivers around 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Magician Lake, Dewey Lake, Moore Park, Little Lake, Indian Lake, Sandy Beach, Fisher's Lake, Penn, Corey Lake, and Townsville.
Penn.
Remain alert for a possible tornado.
What the hell?
Can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you saw a tornado go at once into the basement,
LOTSVR.
in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Warning for southeastern severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties:
Northeastern Illinois, northern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Frankfurt near Mantino to near Limestone, moving east at 50 miles per hour.
Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 4:30.
Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Gary, Merrillville, Chicago Heights, Schererville, Hobart, Kankakee, Crown Point, Highland, Munster, Park Forest, Madison, Bourbonnais, Frankfurt, Bradley, Cedar Lake, Cedar, Lowell, Mantino, Peatone, and Moment, including the following interstates. 341,
233 and 258. For your protection, move to an interior room on the
It's getting kind of windy out, dark outside.
lowest floor. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Jasper County in northwestern Indiana until 5 p.m. At 3:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from St. John to near Lowell to Hopkins Park, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters large tree limbs down in Fieldtown, Illinois around 3:45 p.m. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Rensselaer, Lemont, Hebron, Wheatfield, Lakes of the Four Seasons, Rose Lawn, Coutts, Hanging Grove, Boone Grove, Bailey's Corner, Stoutsburg, Fair Oaks, Park, Dunsbridge, and Malden. Including the following interstate: Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 216 and 232. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan 5 nautical miles offshore to midline of Lake Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan. New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan. Near shore and open waters from Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 nautical miles west of St. Joseph to 19 nautical miles northwest of Michigan City, moving east at 55 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar.
Radar.
Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher
Radar.
higher waves. Locations impacted include New Buffalo, Michigan City.
Come on, camera.
Move to safe harbor until weather